Yes, now you resemble people with not for street fight,
like,
you know.
I don't understand. Are you mad? Wait, where did you get money to buy car from?
Okay, I don't have money again.
I don't have money again.
Even in Poland, they talk.
Like,
She
guy,
say,
no, they follow them. They mad.
me, I dey mad.
Calm
Stop
down.
this thing you're doing. Stop and make you come out. Stop and I'm not this guy. That's how make I do. Stop this way they do. You say call.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We've got this bro with us. Bro, I beg, what's your name?
ONDC.
Okay, ONDC actually texted us, said he wants to gift his babe. I beg, make it not be silly. Now what's the talk? Owen, I beg me follow the fast TikTok.
So as it be like this, I'm just in Lagos with this. So and I want just test my babe. Man, know whether na only me get some abi with many. Cause this Lagos, yesterday thought say no go trust woman. No, I mean now the don't way I promise her I bet they gift I will gift am. Cause you get short way she disturb me. So now since then road not too sweet, so I not too down front. But now I just come back. Now I just say okay now. My surprise now as I don't fear for them. So you get
this
so
come I beg.
Ma she try. Come. If she I your person
if you help me open the door.
I your person make she no fall.
Come on.
Make she no more.
Money is sweet.
So I your person maybe only me get time more feel enjoy because I don't feel I don't too chop heartbreak now. Heartbreak don't tire, so I beg.
No wahala. So yeah,
I say I meet my guy on show. You can't say okay, you go help me out.
Okay, now no wahala. So as it be like this, we want to also we go call the babe. Okay. We'll try see we crack one or two things.
Small say our number.
Our number is
081.
All right. So we have something in mind already. So let's pray. Move pray.
God go run out for you.
Women.
Hello?
I need to know. Hello?
Okay. What's up?
Yeah, good morning, ma. Can you hear me? Sorry. Okay, I'm speaking with Sarah, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I got your number from a friend of yours. Actually, I'm looking for someone that I can hang out with tonight. Like, I don't know. I asked her if she has a hookup friend, someone I can take out for the night. I'm going to pay the sum of 200,000. 200,000, yeah, just for tonight, man.
Sure, my friend is that.
Your friend doesn't want me to tell who it is. Like, she wants to keep it secret. It's just for tonight, man. But the thing is, I don't know if you're around so I can meet up with you to confirm that I'm real. I'm not trying to scam you or it's not a fraudulent act.
Like, why are you now?
Yeah, I stay at Aja. I'm on the island.
I'm around, sure. I'm around.
Yeah, where do you stay?
May she text you.
Okay, so just send me your address. Sorry, I'm not hearing you, but can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so you send me your address.
I'll send my address for you.
What did you say? Yeah, you just text me your address so I'll come over so you can see. Shey, grab, you share me your live location.
Okay.
Like I said, my name is Daniel, don't be scared, yeah?
No problem.
Alright, I'm coming. Just for tonight.
I beg. I want you to wait.
No, you guys continue. You don't pay us already now. We go continue work now. God. Why we go take to the 200,000? I should come follow you. Go.
Move go first.
God, we met.
And I can move they go. Come on, come on.
I go chop am. So where is our compound again?
After this big.
Wait, stop.
Okay, park around here. Now this kind of place, this side you go park.
This side.
Yes.
Oh, this way.
Nothing is up now. No be them I won't follow talk. Just park here, don't you?
So after this pink building now.
Okay.
The next gate now be outside.
Okay, I go just call am. You know go the house no reach that place where dirty there, abi?
No.
Oh yeah, it's on.
You see where this This guy wear black, now.
Okay. This where this guys is standing carry picking abi. Yeah, now. Hey. Hello? Yeah. How far? I'm outside your compound already. Yeah. I think it's in front of... Yeah. It's the number. Alright, thank you. Number 18. This is number 18. Alright, thank you. I'm outside. Thank you. Yeah. Sure, please be fast. Yeah, my name is Daniel. I was the guy that called you this morning. Alright. Sorry, I'm very fine. Please, since you're parking you guys dirty, this smell. Let's just move to this side. It's disturbing me, sorry. Alright. So the thing is, I feel very shy saying these things now. I was quite embarrassed this morning when I even called you. So Sarah, I told you already I'm going to pay the sum of 200k just for a night. Yeah, I need someone that will just keep me company. Girl, you understand what I mean? I told you already on phone. All this hookup shit, girl. So I called your friend requesting for a friend that's if she has someone that does this shit.
I do hookup.
Yeah, she said you do hookup. So why are you? Alright, so I don't know if my ride actually he went to town. So can you just let's get going?
Like this?
No. You can get your nightwear, or you can also bring an extra clothes because we'll be going out to get dinner. Here you go. Yeah. So I'll be waiting for you. Please be fast.
You say 200k, just one night.
Yeah, 200,000. Yeah. You come back tomorrow morning.
I can't come for 200k now.
Why?
200k is too small.
But we agreed already. Now why are you doing like this?
No.
I told you already, just for a night. So how much do you want to collect?
700.
I should pay you 700,000 there.
Of course.
For what? For what?
You are capable now. Look at you now.
You do want me to stop this thing where you do now? Move the go now.
700. Last.
Stop acting this way. I didn't even price you. I know. I don't work out for street fine person. I didn't price you.
No.
200,000 is a very befitting price. That's what I can work with. What you know where I work out come from?
Now force you won't force me.
I don't feel force you now. Why I go force you? But you know if you just expect.
No, I don't feel they follow for 200 now. I don't even know.
I don't feel paying 700,000 naira. Yeah, your friend. I asked your friend how far. I said I want person where I will carry for hookup. And your friend.
I don't feel
200,000 is a very nice price for you.
I don't feel follow for 200.
Because I don't price you 20,000 or 30,000 naira.
Abba, I
This
don't
can't rubbish me down. Yes, now you resemble people with not for street fight.
Like, I don't understand. Are you mad?
You slap me.
Are you crazy? That you did mad? You did mad? I don't understand. I resemble all those for 1,000.
You slap me, Sarah.
Like, no try. Are you stupid? If you saw any robber, this is my street. I'm not afraid. I will come, but they will beat you. Are you mad?
You slap me.
If you say any nonsense, I will slap you again.
You go slap me again.
I will slap you again. Yes, I will slap you again. Are you mad?
Are you okay? Why will you slap me? Why should you even slap me in the first place? Waiting that both kind of behavior. Why should you slap me like that?
Babe, sorry now. It's a prank. Sorry.
I don't understand.
Why she go switch kind?
I just went to
What kind of business this one now?
Like, I don't understand. Wait. Like, can you see this guy?
What happened?
People on the tell me say my friend give her my number say for hookup. I dey ask her which of my friend no fit talk. Like, are you mad?
No, babe, no, babe.
Like, oh God.
Babe,
Like,
no verse,
I
babe.
She even dey tell me say she go slap me again. Say you see your boyfriend there. Why? Say you know if you calm down. Which one me say you go wound me? See they talk again. Which kind of rubbish be this one now?
We came surprised. I came surprised.
Like, what kind of surprise? Like, wait, like.
Wait, but you've seen your boyfriend
They
there.
pranked me, like,
Which
wait,
one be say?
I don't understand.
I'm
Now,
sorry.
They pranked me.
See,
Actually,
see,
it's prank.
Like,
see.
wait.
I know they like now. This kind of sound they like. See, since
Wait,
when I don't
like,
start,
no,
this
no,
is like, you
bro,
don't even
freestyle this matter. Even if Poland they talk, she
Like,
say
guy,
tell me
no,
say
they
she
follow
was
them.
best.
They get mad.
Me, I dey mad.
Babe, why take my
Man,
phone?
no, they can't. I will
Chill
move
now.
for you.
Bro, I work out. You dey ask me to snap you. No see me snap you.
Carry
I dey
the
follow
rubbish.
am talk. She
She
come
dey
slap.
mad.
Why she go slap me like that?
They mad.
Babe, I did hear now. Stop it
Wait,
now.
if now
Stop
your
it now.
family just one hour.
I'm sorry.
What kind of stupid?
Collect this thing from man.
Like, he dey mad.
Wait,
You see, ask me if I dey mad because I no slap you back.
You won't fight. Oh, God.
Babe, calm down.
I don't understand.
for you.
Organic here, babe.
For you. It's good, I don't understand.
Wait.
Come now.
No, I don't do that.
See now. See, it's for you now. Oh, you like this.
Wait, where do you get money to buy car from?
Okay, I don't have money again.
Okay,
I don't have
where do
money
you get
again.
money for?
Okay.
Like,
I know I promised you a birthday gift.
you
and
promised me now, but
did-
I know you
I
can't
know.
afford this kind of car for me now.
Babe,
They ask me to snap you. See person slap you. They ask me to snap
no
you.
verse now. Calm down, bro. But no verse. Take now, see. Oh, babe, for me.
Which kind of rubbish be all this one now?
calm down.
It's now. Your boyfriend buy
Like-
car for you. Tell you, Abi,
Are you
this one no be
serious?
prank again now. This one no be prank.
Hey, good. Wait.
Wow. Alpha, bro, no verse. Okay, how you doing? All the cars, see. Inside.
I don't. Oh boy, calm down now.
I think you and I dey talk. You don't talk finish. Why she go?
I'm sorry.
I still dey talk now.
Bro, nah.
Listen.
It's like that. Sorry, man.
You're sorry for what? I still dey follow and dey talk to my.
Maji.
Calm down now.
Maji, calm
Stop
down.
this thing you're doing. Stop am. Make me dey comot. Stop am. I'm not
Never
this guy.
do that.
No.
Oh God, calm down.
Make I calm down.
Calm
She still
down,
try to
calm
tell me
down,
say she go
calm
slap.
down,
So if to say I don't slap her back,
sorry
now
now.
it's not going to do with this one.
Don't. Na prank now.
Because they slap you, because they ask me to slap you. Oh, they go now. That's how make I go. Stop this way they do. You say God.
Sorry, I don't like that, bro.
Oh, they go now. Let that come. Let it.
Calm down now.
Go now.
I'm sorry now.
I don't hear. No, they go.
Calm down now.
We don't give her the card. They go now.
Calm down now. Now me carry una come here now. Why
I
is it
don't
like
go
that?
now. Go anywhere. I dey go my house.
Now me carry you come here now.
I don't hear. Boy, bro. Congratulations.
No verse. I will text you.